In this video we shall be talking about how to check if the set of elements is closed under a given operation. So in this question says investigate whether or not the set K is closed under the operation. For part A we have the addition sign, and for part B we have the multiplication sign. And the first thing we need to do is to draw a table which will contain our sign. For part A now we have our addition sign in the elements of set K. So we are going to have in our first column elements starting from -1 down to +1, and in our first row we have -1 to +1. So the next thing we need to do is perform a simple algebra, and we say -1 plus -1 is equal to -2. Then -1 plus 0 is equals to -1. Then -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we move to the next element, which is 0. We say 0 plus -1 is equal to -1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus -1 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now how can we decide if the set is closed under this operation, which is for addition sign? How can we decide this now? So we can say that under the operation, which is for the addition sign, the set K is not closed. And why is it not closed? Because of these two values here, -2 and +2. These two values are not in our set K. As you can see here, we only have -1, 0 and +1. As long as -2 and +2 are not among the set K, it simply means that set K is not closed under the addition operation. So that's our reason for set K not to be closed under the addition sign operation. So for part B, we are going to do the same thing. We are going to draw a table, then set our elements in our row and in our column. Then we perform the same algebra calculation. -1 times -1 is 1. Then you do the same for the rest as we did earlier for part A. And when we are through doing that, we see that all our elements, or all the values that we get from evaluating these operations, are either 1 or 0 or -1. As you can see, there are no other values here except from -1, 0 and 1, and all these values here are in our set K, as you can see here. So this simply means that under the operation, that's the multiplication sign, the set K is closed, because there is no other value here apart from the ones in our set K. And this is all for this video, and thank you guys for watching.